everyone, welcome to Brazil. Today we are going to install the LINGDU camera, the front and back camera in a Toyota Corolla hatchback. So this is the front camera, which is 4K, and this is the back camera 180p. So this is the camera that we are going to install today. And we bought some additional hardware kits, and all the other parts have come with the camera. We'll just show now how to install this camera.
Okay, the first thing is to locate the fuse box that comes under the passenger side dashboard. So if you see the passenger side below the dash, you can see this one. So you need to just remove this panel. There is a clip on this side, so just remove the clips and then you can just take this outside. Okay, so this is the fuse box here. You can see the marking with a flap on that one. So you remove the flap, then you can locate the fuse box. So this is hardware kit. The hardware kit we have, so we have different modes to adjust, like 12 volt cutoff or 11.8 volt cutoff, and then as usual there are 3 leads. One is the ground, one ACC, and one the battery positive. So we'll first locate the fuse here, and then we'll connect these plugs. The fuse, so I'll show you this one. The 10 amps over here, this is the hazard fuse, that will be the battery positive, and below here it can be used as the ACC one. Okay, so let's connect. So this is okay, so now this is connected. So the here it is the B positive, battery positive. This is the ACC negative, sorry ACC, and the negative is plugged in there. Okay, so this is a hardware kit battery setting. So you can see the voltage here, 11.8 cutoff, 12 volt cutoff. So we are going to put 11.8 cutoff, so I am going to put switch 1 down. Okay, so this means it's going to cut at 11.8 volt. Okay,
So we are trying to fix the back camera now. We have to extract the wire from here. It's going inside this and towards the back side. And at the back you will have to remove this rubber tube so that there's enough space for this back camera wire, and remove the panel for the backlight. And we'll be inserting the wire through this rubber into this back panel. It's pretty easy to just remove it. All you have to do is just pull this out, and same goes with the rubber, just have to pull it out.
this is the front, and the back camera is installed there. So the wires are all hidden now, so looks all good.
So this is the mobile app that you have to download. It's called LINGDU, and you have to connect to the same Wi-Fi. So connect the app to the device's Wi-Fi, and then you should be able to live view, real-time view the dash cam, both front and the back. Just have to make sure that the Wi-Fi you have connected is the Wi-Fi of the device. Just press for 3 seconds on the device and the Wi-Fi will get connected. Now Wi-Fi is not connected, so you can switch. This is the front view, and this is going to be the back view. You can switch the views. You can change the other settings by using the settings option. You can change the video resolution, the loop recording time, and the volume and the other options inside these settings. So we have now put the camera in the Toyota Corolla Hybrid. Thanks for watching Malus, and for more videos please subscribe, share and like.